Hi, for Uber? Hi, how's it going?
How's your day going?
Good, what's your name?
Yeah, no, you're supposed to tell me my name is.
No. You didn't tell me your name, so I know the right passenger?
No, you're supposed to double check what my name is.
No, you're supposed to check the license plate and check the make and model on your app. You have all that info. I don't have any of your info, I just need to know your name.
Oh, I'm already in, so can you just tell me my name?
No, it's like a safety thing, like I need to know your name.
I just feel like you're trying to take advantage.
What are you talking about? Take advantage of what? I'm literally your driver. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to finish this ride.
But you got to tell me what my name is.
No, it's literally you watch too much TikTok. You got to tell me what my name is.
I don't know what your name is.
You look in the app.
I mean,
are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
What?
Are you serious right now?
What?
You need it. I'm not taking you. You need to get out.
Excuse me. No, I feel like you're just taking advantage.
What are you talking about?
I mean, you see what I'm wearing.
I'm not looking. I'm just trying to do my ride.
I think you are.
What are you like, from the valley or something?
I came from the beach, okay?
Okay, we're not doing this. You can get out. I have better people to take, so.
You're so rude.
Can you please just get out of my car now?
No.
Like, I don't have time for this.
I don't. No.
What, are you just gonna sit there?
Yeah.
You want me to take you out?
Yeah.
What? Just
Why
get
not?
out. Get out.
No. I'm comfortable.
I'm not comfortable. I'm like
comfortable.
I have anxiety. Like, can you just get out? Like, this is not what I signed up for.
Yeah, it is. You drive for Uber.
No, I didn't. I signed up to take like nice passengers who like tell me their name.
No,
I don't even know.
Drive me somewhere.
You know what? I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna call 911 right now.
Maybe they'll take me.